So, intransigent. So, yung intransigent is uncompromising o yung hindi mo mababago yung desisyon. So, kung ayaw natin gumamit ng uncompromising, pwede tayong gumamit ng intransigent. So, at least nag-i-increase yung ating English vocabulary para maging okay. No? Intransigent. Well, kumbaga medyo matigas ang ulo, uncompromising, hindi mo siya ma-convince. Well, being intransigent could only be your downfall kasi meron kang views pero yung views mo dapat nag-a-adjust ka, especially when it comes to other people, when it comes to your social life and other people's lives na makaka-apekto sa kanila. Dapat hindi ka uncompromising. So, yun lang po.